So this place has really disappointed us.
This place is too popular for our liking. So we got there and they've only got cheese and egg. Who's doing that? You can't have a full experiences part and then
you are just having cheese and egg.
And today is a special day as well because this one is from Durban and there's a competition going on between Bunny Chow and Sipatlo. So
of course Bunny Chow will.
I have to give her the real deal.
No, you do.
Now that you know someone who speaks it, you must learn. Today is it. Today is your day to learn. You said you don't know anyone who speaks it. Now you do.
Okay, teach me how to say hi. Minjan. Well, it's just the same as Zulu then. It's why being difficult. What is Fugile? What does that mean?
Ngiyaphila.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes, it's still on.
But I only speak it on weekends. So don't ask me to speak it today. I'm so excited, yes.
Me too.
Part of venue number 2. Now we have it. We have what you want. We have what you want, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
We're having everything that we wanted.
Why did you choose to be a teacher with children these days? I'll be in jail.
That's very stressful.
Every day in school they would have to have a police and an ambulance. But your kids are good.
They're very good. Very good kids.
Nice.
This got to be nice.
So what do you think now? Are you happy?
I'm very happy. This is the first time I'm gonna eat a 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 in Soshanguve. You either eat a 𝙏𝙝𝙠 or a Sipatlo, but then most people got a Sipatlo. I think 𝙏𝙝𝙠 is like people came out baby 𝙏𝙝𝙠. Yeah, like Soweto they call it 𝙏𝙝𝙠, but here it's.
So it has everything.
It has everything. So if you look here at the bottom, it's got 𝙁𝙗, which is like a mango-based chili. And then I believe there's a slice of polony.
Polony is back. Hello,
Polony is back. We're not gonna die.
Okay.
We're going to live today. Yeah, leave us. And then we've got egg. Oh, mate, there's a burger in there. Okay, so there's burger and there's this
ham.
Oh, that's bacon.
Okay.
And then there is another burger, I believe. Oh no, that's special garlic.
Okay.
You, Annalisa, you must check no cheese, ne?
No, she did.
Okay, great.
There's no cheese.
There's absolutely everything in there.
And then you got a burger, and then you got a Russian sausage, which is great.
And it looks unhealthy, but it's very healthy, and it's not something you eat every day anyway.
No, it's unhealthy, but it's healthy. Thank you, baby.
It's unhealthy in a healthy way.
It's unhealthy, but it's healthy.
Thank you.
No, that's a bit.
Here is mine.
So yours has got everything apart from.
How are you, crazy?
Mine's got everything, including.
What yours has got everything, including the cheese.
Yeah. It's Sipatlo. So today we will find out whether Sipatlo or Bunny Chow is better.
Yeah, but we can't test that out until I have Bunny Chow next week.
Okay.
And then we decide. Okay? So when we get to Durban next week, boom. We can have a contest, my friend. You got a lot of chips.
Please leave my chips alone.
You know what? Jesus loves us both, yeah? He doesn't discriminate. Lala, you have to hold it with both your hands and go like that, crunch. Let me show you how to eat it. Don't judge me. I know I'm a fat girl, but it's going down. Alright.